Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to join Crossplay Sea of Thieves. First, understand that Sea of Thieves offers seamless cross-platform play, allowing you to team up with friends whether they are on an Xbox console or a personal computer. This feature is built directly into the game, requiring no complex setup. All players need an Xbox Live account to connect, and it is crucial to ensure your game client and operating system are completely up to date for a smooth experience. To invite friends across platforms, simply open the in-game crew management menu. You will find this option readily available from your ship's main deck. From there, select Invite Friends, and your entire Xbox Live friends list will appear. Friends playing on a different platform will be clearly marked with a unique icon, making it easy to identify them. Just send an invitation, and they will receive a notification to join your crew. When a friend sends you a crossplay invitation, you will receive an immediate in-game notification. You can accept this invitation directly through the prompt that appears on your screen or by accessing the Xbox guide. Once accepted, you will automatically be transported to your friend's ship, ready to set sail together. It is a good idea to quickly check your privacy settings to ensure they permit cross-platform communication and invitations, preventing any connection issues. For the best crossplay experience, remember that voice chat works perfectly between Xbox and PC players, allowing for clear communication. All game content, including new updates and events, is identical across both platforms, ensuring everyone shares the same adventures. While performance can differ based on individual hardware, the core gameplay remains consistent. If you encounter any technical difficulties, always use the official Sea of Thieves support channels for assistance, providing detailed information about your issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.